All right, I'm in the parking lot of Home Depot, and we're going to go in here and see if we can find a post. I'm actually looking for a 4x6 that will not warp, twist, or bow. And I'm going to show you some tips on how to find that kind of a post in a big box store like this. It's tough to do. I recently built a project where I used treated posts, and one of the posts warped or actually bowed severely. And I know that's a common problem with treated lumber, that it's going to move on you. And there are some things that you can do when you're selecting that lumber to help reduce the potential of it moving, bowing, twisting, warping on you. And I'd like to pass some of that information along to you. So stay with me and I'll tell you what to look for. You can see that's got a pretty severe bow on it there. That post is really leaning back there. So of course we're going to want to replace that. And I've got these two posts here in my shop. They're 6x4s. I've got them drying out, and you can see instead of sitting on the concrete, I've got them sitting on some pieces of scrap plywood so we can get some airflow underneath those. And so they've been drying there now for a couple of weeks. So I'm going to decide which one is the straightest, and then I'm going to take that one with me over to replace the post that is bowed. That one's got a little bit of twist and a little bit of bow. Not terrible. I do believe this one's got about the same amount. This one may be a hair worse. So I think I'm going to take this one tomorrow. Appears to be the best. Yep, that's the one I'll take.